Hi everyone, this is my friend Britta, and she's a local teacher in Baltimore, Maryland with me. And today we have gotten together to bring you a 5-minute partner core workout. So grab your favorite gym friend and get a dumbbell if you'd like to use one. And we're just gonna run you through a 5-minute circuit of working out your core. You might feel a little bit of upper body work as well. All right, so grab your mat or your dumbbell if you want to. You don't have to use any of these things. And we're gonna get started in plank. So Britta and I are gonna face each other in plank. And then we're just gonna kind of encourage each other not to fall. So a lot of people, put their knees down when they're doing plank alone, or they decide to take breaks. But with your partner, the best thing is they're gonna hold you accountable. So we're gonna reach our hands to touch and just kind of clap and hit each side. And I want you to try to do this 10 per side. So we'll get started. 10, hit, 9, good job. 8, keep your core tight. 7, 6, 5, 4, almost there. 3 more each side. 2, and then we're gonna hold our plank. I'm gonna drop down into a push-up while Britta holds plank, and then as I come up, Britta's gonna drop into her push-up. Good, and then I'll go down, and then Britta. Good, down and up, and down and up. 3 more. 1, drop. 2, drop. Last one, 3, and drop. Awesome. Put your knees down, take a break. And then we're gonna sit towards each other, but not too close. And we're gonna be facing you. So sit with your partner facing us, and then feet can be down, option 1, option 2, feet are up. I'm gonna take the dumbbell, twist it over the side, and I'm gonna pass it to Britta. She's gonna twist it to her right. Pass it back, and then we'll twist away, pass it back. Good, so you're trying to hold your V shape, which is also known as your boat pose, the whole time. And then if you really want to, you can also work to straighten your legs, but it's much harder. Good job. 2 more passes. 1, bring it back, and 2, and bring it back. Awesome. We're just gonna turn around so that we can go the opposite way. So our backs are gonna be to you, and the exact same movement. So twist and pass, and then twist and pass. Good job, guys. Keep it up and really try to rotate. Don't just kind of hot potato throw it to each other. Find that strong rotation. 2 more passes. 1, bring it back. 2, bring it back. Now face your partner. Britta and I's feet are gonna be inside of each other, so 1 foot inside, 1 foot outside. And then from there, we're gonna sit up nice and tall. Both fall back into a sit-up. And then I'm gonna pass the dumbbell to Britta as we go back. Good, and what I'm doing is I'm squeezing Britta's foot with my foot. So lay back into your sit-up, good, and come up. And then she's squeezing my foot with her 2 feet. Good. Sometimes your partner forgets, so just remind them. 4, back. 3, back. 2, back. 1 more. Awesome. All right, we'll put this dumbbell to the side. High plank facing the camera. So we're gonna put our hands on the mat and then use our shoulders nice and strong. And then just hold here. And then I want you to take your outside hand to high five your partner. So Britta's gonna reach her right hand and we're gonna tap, tap, tap. 5 more. 5, 4, find that stability. 3, 2, 1 more, and 1. Awesome. Now, in order for me to get to the other side, Britta's gonna hold plank, I'm gonna stand up. Now, you can either choose to step over your partner if they're super high, or you can jump over your partner. I'm just gonna demonstrate the step over because she's in high plank, and Britta's gonna plank walk to her left. So she'll take my spot. And then I'll take her spot, and then our outside hands are gonna hit. Awesome. And hit, and hit, and hit. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, Britta's gonna stand up. She's gonna either choose to step or jump over me, and she'll step. I'll plank walk over, and then you're set up to do this again if you want to, okay? From here, we're gonna have a seat. We're gonna go back to facing each other with our dumbbell. Good, foot is inside foot. And then we're gonna take that weight, bring it all the way back overhead. I'm gonna pass it to Britta. This time she's gonna bring it over her head instead of the chest. So all the way over the head, reach, and then all the way up. Good, all the way over the head, reach, and all the way up. 2 more each. Reach that dumbbell really far, come up for 1. Reach it really far, come up. Nice. Reach it really far, come back up. 1 more for me, and 1 more for Britta, all the way over her head, and then come back up. Good work. Now we're gonna be back to back. So we're not gonna sit up straight, we're gonna kind of lean towards each other so we can both be in boat. And you might have to like take some time to get there. So we feel our shoulders touching, and I'm gonna take the dumbbell just in my right hand. I'm gonna reach towards Britta's hand. She's gonna take it just in her left hand. She's gonna pass it over to her right, and I'm just gonna grab it with my left. So I'm incorporating shoulder strength and mobility and core strength. And we're both shaking on each other. Good. 1 more pass this way, and then we're gonna reverse the pass. Awesome. So now that it's back in my left hand, I'm gonna take it back to Britta. Into her right hand, she's gonna pass it to her left. I'm gonna take it in my right, and we'll keep going. Around the world. Around you and your friend's world. Okay. 1 more round. Bring it all the way back. Awesome. And then we'll meet in plank facing each other. So, again, this is one of those motivational tools. So I'm gonna lower down to my forearms, and then I'm gonna press back up to plank, and then Britta's gonna lower down to her forearms, and then she's gonna press back up. Then I'm gonna alternate left, right, and Britta's gonna go left, right, and now we're back to the right, left, right, left. Good, left, right. 1 more time on the right, drop it down. And then we have 1 more time on the left, drop it down. Whew. And if Britta wasn't there, I probably would have dropped my knees by now. All right, so hold super strong here, 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and release your knees. Awesome job, guys. High five your partner, awesome work. And just keep repeating the video if you want more core work. Otherwise, this is a great video to pair with one of my other yoga classes on the channel. Or if you just did a spin class or a run with a friend, why not jump outside and knock out a 5-minute core workout? Thanks so much, and have fun.